Hi everyone. So next we would like to discuss missing values. So missing values are closely related to logical operations. So now it's time to study. And missing values are left as NA in R. NA can happen by no recurse or no responses or just errors. And some functions can deal with missing values automatically, but sometimes we need to deal with missing values manually. So it's good to study basics. Suppose a vector weight consists of 5 entries, but false observations are missing. So this. Sometimes we want to calculate still sample mean of this vector, but this does not work and it returns NA. Because the R recognizes 5 entries, but the fourth entry is unknown, so we cannot calculate sample mean. But usually we want to remove this fourth element and take the sample mean of the other observations. So that job can be done actually by specifying this NARM, so remove NA function equals to true. Then we get 76. This is the sample mean of 70, 80, 55, and 99. So basically, mean function can automatically remove NAs if we put this option. But how to do this manually? Key is this function is.na. So basically, this function can judge if each entry of this vector is equal to na. So the output of this function is false, 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 true, false. So only the first observation is na. So only the first element of this is.na of weight is true. So if we put not here, we reverse the false and true. So true, 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 false, true. So using this logical vector, if we specify this logical vector as the identifier, then weight bracket this returns 70, 80, 55, 99. So we can actually remove the NA, the fourth element. So this function is important because usually double equal is a logical operation to see if some value is equal to specific value. But if we apply this for NA, basically it returns all NAs because NA is unknown. So this is unknown number. So R cannot judge. R does not know if 70 is equal to this unknown number. So usual technique to use double equal does not work for missing values. So we need is.na function. So this is the same for the character vector. So for example, the gender vector is defined as character vector. But last one is NA. Gender is still this. And gender is equal to M. Oh. If we see if the gender is equal to M, the answer is the true, false, NA. So again, so we have some trouble with NA. So we cannot see if this fifth element because this is NA. So R does not know if this is a male or female or something else. So we cannot really see if the fifth element is equal to M. So usually people recognize M and NA are different, but the R's answer is NA. So we have to be careful to deal with NAs. So that's the story about the NAs, missing values.